Hello everyone and welcome to Sunday the 18th. We're almost getting there. I say that every time. I've got to keep reminding myself. Oh, I looked. I saw a B and an O. Hide it. Right, okay, cup of doom. Only a few left. Actually, there's tons left. I don't know. I'm all right. I'm fine. I'm getting there. All right, okay, I've got one. Here comes the dog. All right. What have we got today? Looks like pencil. Moonwalk. Hello, Billy. Could you just stop for a second? I love you. Yes, I do. Hello, Billy. Hello. Yes, Mummy loves you. Yes, be quiet now. Yes, go on, go settle. And that was Billy. Right, moonwalk. Okay, we're drawing the moonwalk apparently. I don't think they got the idea of what I meant when I asked them to write down these things. Or did they? Anyway, for this one I'm using some India ink and some acrylic ink. I've got it's sort of like this reddish coppery colour that I was really excited to use. I may have messed this one up a few times. I may have cheated. I think it's cheating in order to fix it. But yeah, well, you'll see. But anyway, story-wise, bing, there you go. This is the lady from the windmill from earlier. We're going to call her Rose because she's into roses and, you know, everything's coming up roses, everything's fine, it's fine. And the girl's kind of taught her that maybe it's not fine and she wants to get the girl, like, for taking her away from this sort of, you know, dream world she has of everything's fine. The girl's kind of showing her that no, it's not, you know, shoot the messenger kind of thing. Happens in life a lot. But for some reason she's floating. She's just kind of floating. I thought she looked cool floating, so I've made her float. I've gone with moonwalk, as in she's walking in the moon, in the moonlight. That's what I've gone for. I'm about to make my first hideous mistake. Here it comes. See if you can spot where I cock it up, because this is supposed to be a full moon. Yeah, there we go. I coloured in the moon. I tried to fix it a couple of times, and it looks all right as long as you don't look too closely at the actual page. But anyway, yeah, so she's floating to find them because there you go. I'm trying to make it. I meant a crescent moon. I meant it to look like a crescent moon. Yeah, no, you didn't. But anyway, I tried, and then I tried something later on. I think it looks all right in the end. But yes, she is floating towards them to try and stop the girl, I guess. She doesn't want to have to open her eyes and see the faults in the world, and that some stage we need to like wake up and fix things. But no, she doesn't want to. Everything's fine, and that's why she's going for the girl. I tried colouring the moon in with this. It just didn't work. It wasn't right. It's nice, I suppose. If I layer it, it'll be a bit less streaky. But by this stage, I was thinking, what have I done? Just what have I done? Shall I start again? I haven't got time. I just haven't got time. But yeah, mistakes were made. But I continued. I thought, no, I'm fine with this. At some stage in life, you just got to admit that no, you are not fine with this. But she's wearing like this white dress with nice orange accents. I wanted it to look, you know, like she's in the dark except for the moonlight. And as the moon is pretty much on top of her, above her, I figured this is where the shadows would be, just sort of on the edge. And if those sort of bits I'm doing there like frilly, they'd be going in and out, so the top bits would be lit and the bottom bits would be in the dark. That's what I'm aiming for. I was very sort of worried about using the black, but I think it works, and you can still see the line work underneath. And then her face, so one half of it, maybe I should have done this a bit higher and just did most of her face in shadow looking at it. I don't know, but well, we used the orange for the highlights because that's what she had before. And I did use a Copic to colour her hair and just hoping it would look a bit different. And it's kind of in these pigtails, like she's still in child mode or trying to stay in child mode. which is what I was aiming for. But anyway, here is me trying to fix the problem. Originally I wanted to do the moon in Copics. If you move Copics, and I've got a couple of ahoo-hoos, if you move really quickly you get a much more dappled effect, which kind of looks like the surface of the moon is what I was going for. And I just keep going over and over and over with these different greys, different things. Got some neutrals in here and some tonals, and one that had a kind of a blue tinge, I think so. And then yeah, I cut it out and I stick it on. So that's what I did. And then I tried to find some tracing paper and I couldn't. So in the end, yeah, this is me faffing about trying to find something to trace with. I knew I had some and I threw it away. But in the end, I took a photo of her and sketched over the top and glued it on and redid it all. The cloud doesn't work, and I'd coloured the moon in over where the cloud should be. But I mean, you can see in the sketchbook it's kind of like stuck in there, but you know, straight on, you can't see that's what I did. It's fine. So this was my fix anyway. I went over it again. There you go. Does it look all right? It's more round than it was going to be, because I couldn't go around it with this ink without leaving. You can see by the tree where I've gone along the tree, I can't figure out how to stop that happening, where it just leaves this line. So I think it looks all right in the end. It looked vaguely how I meant it to, I guess. Just going over the tree a bit more because I'd done the branch a bit darker, and then I got a bit braver with this because that side of the tree would be in shadow again. And then I just fill in and rub out that. But anyway, here we go. This is my day 18 moonwalk. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of that. But anyway, I'm back tomorrow with God knows what. But please like and subscribe, all of that awesome business, and I will see you next time. Bye.